In this video, we will prove a very important question, that is, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Now, see the proof. Here it is given that root 2 is an irrational number. That is, we have to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Suppose root 2 is a rational number. That means it can be written as root 2 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime. What is co-prime? Co-prime means if we take two numbers, let's consider 9 and 4, two numbers. Now the factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9, and factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Here except 1, there are no any number common, there no any common factor between 9 and 4. Hence we can tell that 9 and 4 are co-prime. If we consider another two numbers, that is 4 and 14, then the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, and factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Here we can see except 1, there are other common factors between 4 and 14, that is 2. So we can tell that 4 and 14 are not co-prime. Co-prime nahi hai. So 9 and 4 are co-prime, but 4 and 14 are not co-prime. Now see, that is where p and q are co-prime, that is p and q have no common factor. Now root 2 is equal to p by q, where q is not equal to 0 because it is a rational number p by q. Imply that root into q equal to p. Now squaring both sides, we will get that root 2 q square equal to p square, imply that 2q square equal to p square. We will keep it in a bracket. Now give equation 1. Then here we know that we here found that 2q square equal to p square. Then p square is divisible by 2. Okay, because if we divide p square by 2, you will get q square as quotient. Okay, then similarly, if p square is divisible by 2, then p will also divisible by 2, because if we take two numbers, that is 64 is divided by 2, then we take 8 square equal to 64, then 8 will also divided by 2. Similarly, we tell that p square is divisible by 2, then p is also divisible by q. Then if p is divisible by 2, then if you divide p by 2, there will be some quotient. Let the quotient is equal to a. That is p divided by 2. Then if p divides 2, then its denominator will be 0 and quotient will be something. I take this quotient as a. So we know that p equal to 2 into a plus 0, that is 2a plus 0. 0 has no meaning, so we know we did not add here. Okay, so p equal to 2a. Now again squaring both sides, we get that p square equal to 2a whole square, imply that p square is equal to 4a square. Keep this in a bracket and give equation 2. If we put this value of p square here, you will get that 2q square is equal to 4a square. If we cancel 2 and 4, we will get here 2. Imply that q square is equal to 2a square. Similarly, q square is divisible by 2 like before, and also q is divisible by 2. Hence we get that p is divisible by 2 and q is divisible by 2. Okay, then p and q both are divisible by 2. Hence 2 is the common factor. Okay, but before we said that p and q are common co-prime. That means p and q have no common factor. Okay, so which contradict our assumption. We assume that p and q are co-prime, but here we find that they are not co-prime. So our assumption is wrong. That is, root 2 is a rational number. Hence root 2 is an irrational number. Proved. Good luck.